I got this jointer maybe 2 years ago off Facebook Marketplace for I think $250, which is a pretty good deal. I know that retail this is 1,000. I think recently there's been a sale on it for like $600 at Home Depot. But yeah, I got this. It's been great. I have the regular straight knives in it, and it's been really good. But I really don't like face jointing with the straight cutter knives because it just feels a little scary because you feel the knife slapping the board so much. Edge jointing it's been fine. It's kept my panels really crisp, but I've had this Find by Tool Helical cutter head for a while now, and I just haven't installed it. I've probably had it for probably over 6 months, and it's just been sitting under my workbench waiting to be installed. So decided that today I will watch a YouTube video because I'm kind of in between projects and get this installed and kind of see how much better it is. I'm really hoping that this helps me face joint a little bit better. This is just a 4'6" jointer, but I mean, I'm still super happy to have a floor jointer anyways. And, you know, if I can use 6" boards and face joint them, could be nice. And just a quick look inside here. I already took everything out, but here you'll have the helical cutter head, some screws, which I believe are for the carbide insert knives, and then you have your carbide insert knives, and then a couple of Torx wrenches that I'm not sure if they're the same. One looks like it might be a little bigger. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video. I'll link that video down below to which one I'm watching, if it's successful, and then yeah, I'll be back once I start this operation. Alright, so I'm watching this video. First thing, I'm gonna uninstall the guard, and yes, everything's unplugged and off. Next thing is the fence. I think something's supposed to fall out as I do this. Yeah, there it goes. Caught that. Next is the fence. I think this is a cast iron fence. I don't know what to call it. Oh god. Oh boy, buddy boy, this is large. Yep. Whoa, yeah, you're heavy. Okay, you're going over here.
Here.
Wait.
To loosen those up. Yeah.
Wait.
We may need to.
I'm gonna guess 6 mil. Very wrong. We're gonna guess 8 mil. Cha-ching. Okay, I don't have to take them off. I just have to, wait, is this the right way? I'm facing it backwards. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Let's slide our bracket out of the way. Little safety cover.
Wait.
To loosen the brackets,
Wait.
pull the fence on.
Wait. It's fire season in California. I keep getting watch duty notifications. If you are in California, you can probably relate.
Comes right off.
Oh, frick yeah, man.
Now, if yours doesn't come off, you might need a 3-jaw puller to come in from the back side and pull that pulley off of there.
So I bought a 3-jaw puller because I haven't done this before, and this is second-hand to me, which I think is third-hand now, because the guy also got it from Facebook Marketplace. So I thought this would be a little hard to get off, but I mean, it's sliding off pretty alright, I think. I might have just jinxed it, because now it's stuck. Where is my pry bar? Ah, you were so close to coming off. Not gonna hit anything, because I don't want to mess it up. Oh, we're wiggling. Yes! Okay. This way. Right? Oh god, wait, I gotta check. If I'm facing this way, left is this way. Almost got it. I'm gonna try to not drop it. No, I dropped it.
Ah, got it.
Dang it.
There's the bolt.
Oh god, I have to sift through this to find this freaking washer. Oh, this was it's not smart. There'll be so much footage of me looking for a washer that I should have not lost. This was an oopsie. Getting a magnet. I found it. I'm tired. Gonna keep going. Alright, now that that's out, I can take this out, I think, yes. And I'm just gonna note that I'm not recording this in the most, in the best way that I can, because this isn't a tutorial video. I'll link that, what I'm watching, down below. And this is just me trying to do this upgrade, which stuck on something. Yes, haha, and be careful because this has knives on it. Yes, yes. Get the frick out and don't cut me. Yeah. Okay. So now I need my jaw puller thing. Oh god, you're so heavy. I've got to assemble this jaw cutter thing. There's no instructions with this. Will I ever need this tool again? Who knows? That looks right. And then it unscrews. Yeah, I think that's right. I definitely could have just like looked up a video, but there's something satisfying about something satisfying about doing the engineering or the unengineering, the re-engineering, I can't think of the word right now. Reverse engineering is what I was trying to say. My brain could not think of a word.
Is on the side with the shaft, which makes sense. Smaller bearing is the opposite side.
Relax, man. I'm struggling with this bearing pulley. These mosquitoes do not respect bug spray. Ah! I need more bug spray. Oh, yeah. There we go, baby. Okay, so we're going here now. I need something to pat this down with. So maybe we'll do this. I'm going to try installing the knives now. And if I get little tiny cuts on my hands, whoops. I accept my fate. Oh shit. So let's get all these knives in. Carbide cutters.
Seems a little bit tedious. It's really not.
I feel like you're just saying that because you're sponsored by them. Because this is tedious and boring. Ay, that was scary. Almost sliced a finger. That was spooky. So it's after lunch. Got all the cutters installed. Now, going to very gently, carefully move this spinning blade, spinning thing. It's just dark here. Dang it. I could just see the freaking thing. Turning on my shop lights. Might be the boost of light I needed. Using a trick that I know from climbing. Use a tick mark if you can't see the hold. In this case, I can't see the hole. So, if I have a tick mark there, I know the hole is right there. I don't think that's going to stay on there. So, oh, yep, it's not going to stay there. Sweet. Give me a Sharpie maybe? There's the hole. So, and just like that, that is so much easier. Wow. Just need a little tick mark. Holy balls, dude, this is hard.
Now we're gonna get our belt.
Oh my god. Please get it first try. That would be amazing. Oh my god, I threaded it. Yes. Oh, I did not want to have to search for this. Yes.
If yours is tore up or has any cracks or anything in there, this one looks perfectly fine.
That's back. Oh boy. Now I do the fence bracket. Cool. Yeah. So that's there. I'm gonna clean this a little bit. Alright, that's soaked a little bit, so let me just wipe this off. My jointer bed is not the best jointer bed in the world. Why don't you want to touch my... Okay. Let's be a little concerned here. Alright, I've got this tiny, tiny little strap. I'm just gonna run it and see if it's good. I have a ever so slight feeling that my helical head is a little shorter or under, so I don't know if it's gonna make a cut or it's like dead on and I'm just like, oh wow, so accurate. But we'll see. I was right. Okay. So now I gotta figure out how to bring that up. Fuck me. Okay. This could potentially be a mistake. I'm gonna give it a shot because I think this is how this works. Okay, just update. I found a bunch of grub nuts in the back that was keeping this from going, so I just took more of it apart, and now I can move the infeed and outfeed table, or the infeed table, outfeed table, in and out. So now I can use my straight edge to try and get this to the right spot. This is hella bowed. Okay, let's see something else. Just until... Okay, so now I touch there. So now if I lock all this down, I think my jointer is calibrated now. So now I will try that cut again. So now let's try to take this down again. Let's go. Tight, tight, lock, lock. That's pretty oh. I mean, let me get a straight edge. I mean, it's like pretty flat. Let me try to put a little joint of something somewhere. So it's a very rudimentary test. This is only for edge jointing where I might notice it, but okay. So let's just do in, out of this. Let's say this is in, that's out. Okay. In, out, and then I'll put these together and see how they do. Looks flat to the table. That right there is a pretty good joint. You can see there's no gaps or anything. The line kind of disappears. I mean, they're different. This is sapwood, this is heartwood, so they're pretty different, but you can see that no gaps. I mean, this is just a chip, so that's fine. This is a monster of a stress test, but I don't know if you can see it. I put the lines on here. I'm gonna face joint this side with a knot hole. Use my push stick. It's got a good amount of room still, and see if I can face joint it well, and also what the resistance feels like on it. Does it have the suction action? Oh, it's got the suction! A good way to tell if a board is flat is if you put it on a table, a flat table like your jointer bed, and you can feel a little bit of suction because the air is there. Suction cup. Yes, sir. Yeah, that snipe is gone. That could have been just sniped from another pass through my planer, actually, not from this. And this is pretty figured. Like, you can see there's the knot hole, the grain kind of goes in different ways. There's a little bit of compression here, and it's pretty freaking smooth. That's impressive. Ooh, this jointer just leveled the frick up. Oh, I am pretty stoked.